to Meek Mighty.
Today was honestly the best thing ever to see these kids finally get to have their moment to shine. You could tell the passion, the drive, the hard work paid off, the smiles on their face, the cheering fans, it definitely had them going.
Put it here. Here we go. Right here. There we are. Not for long.
It was really hot. My legs cramped up a lot. Swam 8 laps in the pool. I biked 5.4 miles and ran a mile. Last year I tried to do it, but it got shut down because of COVID, so I'm so happy that I got to do it, and I'm so proud of myself that I could finish it.
Congratulations. Congratulations, fellas.
Again, body marking, water stations, and much more. A big thanks to our wonderful volunteers who are always here to help make the weekend successful.
So Baycare came to us earlier in the year because we're partnering with them for a food pantry. They asked us if we would be interested in having a triathlon team and that they would partner with us to help us train the kids to do so. I have 13 students participating in Meek Mighty. It's good for our kids to be active. It helps them in learning too. I mean, it kind of pushed my group over the summer just because we couldn't go run unless we did some reading first. Some of them didn't know how to swim. They've never been able to ride bikes, etc. So this program was able to give them those opportunities and then hopefully develop a love for the sport.
What's special about this year, this is the first year we're all doing it at this event. So my mom and I will do the sprint tomorrow, and my daughter and her cousin, 2 granddaughters, are doing the Meek Mighty today. So this year is particularly special. It's a family affair.
Gotta wear that sleeveless dress, ladies, in the office, all right? Just make sure everybody checks that out, right? 10-year-olds on the girls' side.